Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating if it's disabled. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, maybe it's disabled because your age is not 18 years old or older. You'll have to check your birthday and then verify your account. Okay. Now, also, you'll have to check your account age. This account right here is pretty old. I'm going to go ahead over to the three horizontal lines. And as you can see, Facebook dating is available. All you got to do is just press on see more right here. See more, and then Facebook dating should now be available. Okay, I'm going to be showing you later a account which is relatively new and doesn't have this thing. All right, so I'm going to log into that account right here. Now, if you are on the same boat as this account right here, as you can see, you don't have Facebook dating. The reason for this is that the account age, this one is relatively new. And the second option, I haven't verified my age in here. So again, verify your age, and after that, Facebook dating should now appear. That's how simple it is to fix Facebook dating if it's disabled. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.